Viel Glück. Crusade 1314, one box break for max23. Michael, good luck. Pack number 1. We got Pete, Pistol Pete, Maravich, blue. Celtics, Eric Gordon, Pelicans, blue. Red is Steven Adams, rookie, number to 349. Rookie, got a dummy. And Hakeem Olajuwon, base, and Greg Monroe, base. Yeah, Jeremy Lin, blue. PJ Tucker, blue. Red is Tony Parker, number to 349. And the hit is Tim Duncan, number to 299. Tim Duncan for the Spurs. And royalty is Kobe. And nobility, number to 10. 8 of 10, Hakeem the Dream Olajuwon. Gold, nobility, nice one. Next pack. We have Marcin Gortat, blue. OJ Mayo, blue. Red is Trey Burke, rookie, number to 349. A dummy. Andre Robertson, rookie. And Evan Turner, base. We got Ray Allen, blue. Greg Monroe, blue. Red is Tyson Chandler, number to 349. And the autograph is a rookie, Jason Smith for the Pelicans, rookie. Jason Smith, Pelicans, and Gary Payton, base. Purple, Bradley Beal, again, nummer to 49, 48 of 49. Hat man nicht gerade 49 von 49? Oder? Ah ne, gerade war Steve Francis. Alright, Moses Malone. Victor Oladipo, red, rookie, number to 349. Dummy. Nobility, Rodman, and Dirk, base. Last pack. Jared Sullinger, blue. Michael Carter-Williams, rookie, blue. Zach Randolph, red, number to 349. And Matthew Dellavedova, rookie. And Chris Bosh, base. That's it for the break. Thanks for joining, Max. See you next time. Peace.